Refrigerator storage. Do you know the safest way to store food in your refrigerator? Let's take a look inside our refrigerator. Here we go. We have 6 shelves. We have the top shelf and the bottom shelf. What goes on the bottom shelf? Well, raw chicken and minced ground chicken. Why? Because they need temperatures of over 75 degrees to kill dangerous bacteria like Salmonella. On shelf 5, we have our ground and minced meats. Beef, lamb, pork. Why? They need temperatures of over 71 degrees Celsius to kill any potentially dangerous bacteria. Shelf 4 is shared. First, let's look at the pork. They need temperatures of 63 degrees Celsius or higher. We separate the area the shelf is shared with lamb and beef steaks. They can be cooked to medium rare. So they are boxed and separated to ensure there's no potentially cross-contamination. On rows 4, 5 and 6, these are all raw meats and poultry. Let's turn to our top 3 shelves. These are all high-risk foods and need to be protected. On shelf 3, we have raw seafood, aquatic food, and eggs. On shelf 2, above the raw seafood, we have our washed fruits and vegetables. These are all ready to eat. And at the top, we have our ready-to-eat foods and fully cooked foods. Shelves 1, 2, and 3, these are occupied by high-risk foods. It's imperative that these foods are protected. So, how did you fare? Did you know the correct shelves where food should go to protect against cross-contamination? Share with your friends, share with your colleagues, and let's all stay safe and enjoy our cooking and enjoy our eating.